This is Sovrun, your guide to financial literacy. Today we're decoding the hidden cost that quietly destroys commodity investments. In April 2020, oil prices went negative for the first time in history. Traders were literally paying people to take their oil. The reason? A market structure called Contango, and its opposite, backwardation. Contango is when futures prices are higher than the spot price, the price you'd pay right now. Backwardation is the reverse. Futures trade below spot. Think of it like airport parking. The longer you park, the more you pay. That's Contango. Storage, insurance, financing, they all add up. But when everyone needs a ride right now, the immediate price surges above the future price. That's backwardation. Here's the formula. Basis equals spot price minus futures price. If WTI crude spot is $70 and the 6-month futures contract is $74, the basis is -$4. Negative basis means Contango futures are above spot. Flip it around. If spot is 78 and futures are 73.50, the basis is +450. Positive basis means backwardation spot is trading at a premium. The roll cost hits different markets differently. VIX futures lose roughly 25% per year to Contango, which is why VXX is a terrible long-term hold. Natural gas ETFs lose about 12%. Crude oil around 8%. Gold barely 1.5% because gold is cheap to store. Only backwardated markets give you a positive roll yield. April 20th, 2020. WTI May futures crashed to -$37.63. Pandemic lockdowns killed demand, and storage tanks at Cushing, Oklahoma were nearly full. Traders holding expiring contracts paid others to take delivery. The spread between May and June contracts exploded past $60. The USO ETF lost 36% in a single week, rolling contracts at the worst spread in history. If you trade commodity ETFs or VIX products, Contango is silently eating your returns. The underlying commodity can stay flat while your ETF steadily loses value from rolling contracts into more expensive ones. Always check the term structure before you buy. Contango shows up beyond commodities. Pre-construction real estate, futures pricing on event tickets, even agricultural storage decisions. Follow Sovrun for more financial literacy in under 3 minutes.